Good morning, everyone. My name is Avni and I am the art captain. Welcome back to another LPS assembly. We hope everyone is having a great term 4 so far. Can you believe it's already week 8? I will now read out the acknowledgement of country. We acknowledge the traditional owners of land, waters, and stand today and recognize their continuing connection to land, waters, and culture. We pay our respects to their elders past, present, and emerging. Here is Daniel.
Hello, my name is Daniel and I'm the art captain. Good morning, everyone. It is now time for the national anthem. Please remove your hat and stand quietly with your hands behind your back. Please sing along in a nice, strong voice and do not sit down until asked to do so. Thank you, everyone. Please sit down quietly. Here's Manali.
Hello everyone, my name is Manali and I am the Wellbeing Leader. Good morning everyone. Here are this week's Common Award winners for those students who have been displaying our Lyndhurst Primary School values.
Hi everyone, good morning, and we are announcing all of the Cormorant Awards for this week, and I'm very excited sitting here on our beautiful buddy bench out on this playground, and it's congratulations to the following people. Let's start with Prep. From Prep A it's Sehaj. From Prep B it's Aaron. From Prep C it's Anna. From Prep D, two of them, Khalees and Reet, well done. From Prep G it is Clayton, and in Prep H, Jeremiah, well done. In grade 1, 1A, Hanor and Rupangal. 1B, Mrs. Falia, well done. Viraj and Skylar, all in 1B. Inika and Monica in 1C. In grade 2, Naman, Talia, Chara in 2D, Vivian in 2E, Sirat and Princeles at 2F. In grade 3 we have Molly Jo and Jonathan from 3D and Paramveer from 3E. Grade 4, 4A, well done to Aubrey. In grade 4D, congratulations to Bryden, and in 4E, Dunjot. For grade 5, 5A, well done to Ashley. 5C to Kaylin and Zach. 5D, congratulations Electra, and in 5E, Joseph and Naren. And finally, in grade 6, Yokapeta for 6A, Hannah for 6B, Angel for 6C, and finally Ella in 6D. Welcome and congratulations to all of those people. Well done. Hi everyone, as well as Cormorant Awards, we always have our Cormorant Feathers, and I think we've just been missing out on a little bit of that just lately. I know there were some people, and I have their names here, it's Aidan and Shimon and Isaac and Callan, who all missed out on a morning tea with me. You got your Feathers Award, and no one got to share my Oreos. So I'm going to have a morning tea this week sometime. I'll let you know when. It won't be this morning, because right at the moment while you're watching Assembly, I'm at a meeting. But I will catch up with you and we'll have a morning tea together. And my Cormorant Feathers for this week. The first one for great work week at school is Artie from 2B. This one is for Aslan in 5E for reading beautifully to the whole class. This one is for Adam. I'm not sure what grade, but Adam, apparently you were working really hard when writing a haiku poem. I did see some fantastic haiku poems last week. So well done, Adam. And finally, to Reza, working very well when we were writing haiku poems as well. So well done to all of those people. Next week I'll let you know. You'll come down for morning tea and we will share some Oreo cookies together, and you can bring your play lunch down and we'll have a lovely morning tea together. Congratulations to all those feather winners.
Well done to all our award winners, and a reminder for all of our grade 3 students that if you would like to order a BYOD computer for 2021 and beyond, your form is due by December the 4th. Here is Liliana.
Good morning, everyone. Here's Mr. Lacey to present this week's principal's report.
Thank you, Lily. How are you?
Good.
Good. You're very tall up there.
Yep.
I'll just do the principal's report from here if that's okay.
Okay.
Good. Okay. First thing I want to talk to you about is about the bike shed. We have a number of children who are coming into the bike shed, and I can see so many bikes because I know Bike Ed's happening at the moment, which is fantastic. But if you could just bring your bikes in, and if you're here early, move them to the back of the bike shed and around the walls so that other kids who arrive a little bit later can fit their bikes into the bike shed. That would be really helpful. Thank you very much. Secondly, I want to talk to people about NAIDOC week. It was a very important week last week, and some fantastic things came across my office about things that people did during NAIDOC week, so I really appreciate that. It's a really important event and becoming more and more important for us as Australians to recognise our Aboriginal culture, so well done and thank you for that. Also in the middle of the week we had Remembrance Day. It was a really big week, wasn't it? So the 11th of the 11th, beautiful ceremony at just after 11 o'clock. Thank you to the whole school for participating in that one. Once again, a really important event for us. I want to also throw in a little advertisement for BYOD. If you're interested in getting a BYOD computer and you're in grade 3, get those application forms back in and expressions of interest, and we'll get you a computer and it will be great for you next year. That was a paid advertisement from Mr. Thomas. And finally, year 5 and 6, we've managed to get you at least one day in the camps. Over the next couple of weeks, I'll be going along with you. I'm so looking forward to going with the grade 5s out to Warrabinda and the grade 6s to summer camp. That will be awesome. Such great days and a great opportunity in this year where we've missed on all our camps and activities. So that's it for me. Thanks, everybody.
Thanks. Bye. Well, that concludes our assembly for today. Please enjoy your week and try your best to display the Lyndhurst values. Please stay seated and follow your teacher's directions. Thanks for tuning in to this week's LT. Well, that concludes our assembly for today. Please enjoy your week and try your best to display the Lyndhurst values. Please stay seated and follow your teacher's directions. Thanks for tuning in to another assembly, everyone.